Okay, so today I'm in the Impro Training Center in Pinetown. You can come in if you want. I'm going to edit this later and I'll fix it. So today we're in the Impro Training Center. I don't know if I call this a training center or call this a demo center. Okay, so this is the demo room for the Impro products. And as you can see from the boards and everything else, you can get a complete overview of all the different products. Sabre has done a full integration into Impro so that it's pretty seamless and straightforward. To start off with, I'm just going to show you, this is a screen of the devices that are in Sabre at this time, and using the integrator we bring in all the existing devices from the Impro system. Okay, so we're starting try to get the focus right here.
This is the drop box.
This is the drop box.
Okay, and let's just start the integrator as well.
And the integrator.
Impronet to Sabre.
So importing into Sabre now. There you go.
And then we're gonna just connect to the database. And now we get an option to choose date range or record pull amount. So we can pull by different dates, or we can pull by record amounts. So like if you want to pull 10 records consistently, you could pull 10.
Okay.
So for this we'll do a record pull amount, and then we will do 10 records. And what we can also do is pull the employee data out of Impro across. So if we put this on a timer for say every 3 seconds, we run this, and then we also run the drop box. What should happen now is just, there we go. So now you see here we've got our employee data coming through, and it's also found that these employees don't exist in Sabre yet. And so it's going to constantly scan for new Impro clockings. So we can actually minimize these. And now in Sabre, let us do this. So let's auto update here, click apply, and we can also, let's just do this, sort out the order. So it would be under here, and let's see, where is it?
To get it to the top.
Yeah, I'm trying to look for that option now because I've got employee new insert on.
Go to the other two parameters.
Is it in parameters?
Yeah, I always get confused. It's always in different places.
Okay.
There it is. There, I think it is.
Yeah, there we go. Save. Save that. Okay, that's fine. Parameters have been saved. So now if we come back here, we just enable the auto updates, and we put our date range for all current year, just hit apply. So now we should get Impro's clocking coming through. So let's just...
It's not because you're looking at one company, yeah?
Yeah. But it should still come through, yeah. I just want to see something. Okay, so there's the employees that is also automatically created in Sabre, with their name, ID, all of this done by bringing the data across. And so now, if we come back here and we do this and that, can you clock? There's a card. See.
Okay, how are we going to clock?
So I just want to make sure everything's running properly.
It's because we're not seeing data because we're looking at January, I think. But there must be some clockings already.
No, I don't. Let's just see.
That's this. Okay.
Just want to see if it brings it across. And then there we go.
Okay, so there's the record coming through.
So now that's the record from the Impro device straight
into Sabre.
Yeah. And now if you also
we'll do another one.
And it should come through now.
There it is.
In and out.
There's your in and your out. Straight out of Impro.
So your Sabre's watching for the live class.
Good job, Dalen.
Thank you very much.
There you go, another clocking. It should come through just now.
There we go.
There you go. There you go. Perfect.